Okay, sorry about what happened. My memory card was full, so let's continue. So this is what we were doing. Okay, I'll take this facing this outward and then line this up on the score line that we made. Okay, on the score line, and as I said, I'll hold this is down here already. Then I'll bring my ruler, holding this down. I hope you can see. No, okay, yeah, you can see this way. And then about 1/8 of an inch away from the box, I'll just cut. Okay, then turn this. Sorry, from where this corner is, I'll just cut straight down, as straight as possible. Okay, then you make an angle cut like this, so you can pull this out. Here, so I don't know if you can see the shape that we have there, like triangle-ish, don't know what to call it. Okay, that being done, just fold this over onto the inside like that. Okay, then I'll lie this down, place my ruler again, and cut about 1/8 of an inch down. Then from this corner, give the same angular cut and pull that out, and then come here and repeat the same thing. It's about 1/8 of an inch away. This one is shifting, don't worry, we'll cover it and then to stop shifting. Okay, just make sure it is straight and properly lined up. Then you place your ruler. Yes, it's going to be very sticky. Let it be straight and lined to the box. And cut and move your ruler carefully. Okay, this cutting I did here, it's not enough. I need to do that cutting again. Should be about 1/8 of an inch. Good. Then from this cut I had here to the second cut, I'll give an angular cutting, not straight. I hope you can see it. Can see it, right? Good. So now what I'll do is I'll bring my stylus and just run down this way, and then fold this carefully over like that. Then using my bone folder, I press down properly. Okay, now let's turn it to the back. You can see this one is pushing out. Just push it in, don't worry. By the time we use this to cover it, it will stay in place. So I'll bring the ruler once again, line it to the base like that, then cut this, and then carefully remove my ruler because it's very sticky. Okay, I'll leave this first, and I'll pull this off a little more. Holding this down, I'll bend this like that, and then just use my hand to press it down properly. Okay, and then just cut again the same way, my 1/8 of an inch away, and then from the edge cut that out. So it's just the same thing I'm going to do all around till I finish. Okay, so once I finish, it will end up here. Any excess, I'll trim it off. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So I'll cover this round, and then I'll get back to you on how to cover this base part. Okay, so let me just show you what I'm going to do now. This is the first part. Okay, I already glued this side down, so I'll just line my ruler up like this. Let me get, what's the measurement from the board? It's 1 inch. Good. So now I will line my ruler up with the cardstock like this, and then give a tick mark at 1 inch. Okay, then place my ruler from this angle to the tick mark, from the angle to the tick mark, like so. Okay, then I will cut that out. Okay, so now I'll repeat that on the same, on this other side as well. Let me peel this off. Okay, let me fold this out so it doesn't block what we are doing. Try to hold it in place. So at 1 inch, you give a tick mark. Okay, then line your ruler from that edge to the tick mark and cut. Okay, now you can now fold this down like that. Then you crease properly. Okay, so just what I did here, what I'll repeat on the remaining 4 sides. So once I'm done with that, I'll get back to you at that point. Okay, so I have a little issue here. Okay, my cardstock was not enough, it did not get to the edge, but you know what, it is fine because it's at least it overlapped this 1/2 inch here. That's fine. Okay, so I'll just finish this up like so. Okay, so this is out the top. Okay, now for this is 6 2/8 by 6 2/8. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in this sheet. It's a foam sheet that has sticker. It's a sticker foam sheet. So I'll just line this on my board and measure out 6 2/8. Measure 6. Okay, this one is round, it cannot score the sticker sheet tearing it, so do it that way. 6 2/8, turn, also score out 6 2/8. I'll stop there. So this is what I need. So I'll cut this out like so. And this also like so. All right, so now I'll bring this back in and then peeling this off to reveal the sticky parts. Okay, yeah, and then of course this little pieces here. Let me just take my time to remove these ones, and then I'll get back to you at that point. All right, so it's all removed. So now I'm just going to stick this down on top here. Okay, not inside, no, on top of this. Like so. Okay, now this part that is not well covered, I can just pull the foam to cover it. Okay, yeah, so they turn this out and then press down properly. So there we are. Now the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to cut out another 2 strips of straw board. Okay, this one measures about 6 1/8 by half an inch, 2 of them, and then this is half an inch. Okay, at quarter of an inch, that's 2 2/8 of an inch, I marked in the center. Okay, which is about 3 inches here, and then 3 1/8 here, and then I cut this out for both of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just place like this, that's all, to form a cross. Okay, place it like that to form a cross. So now this will go in here like so. The reason for this is just to strengthen the board the more. Okay, so now that is all. No need for glue because we're going to still glue it down. So remember this, bringing this back in, and then we're going to glue this down like so to the center, like that. Okay, so now to glue this down, we need something stronger than our top bond and double-sided tape. So I'll be using my UHU gum. Okay, using my UHU gum, and I'm going to apply it in such a way that it doesn't come out here. We don't need to come out, to be towards the inside part. Okay, I usually don't press this, it comes out on its own. You can see, right? So like that. So I'll just apply it on all around. Okay, off camera, and then I'll get back to once I finish applying, and also apply here as well. Okay, so I'll be back. All right, so I have finished applying the UHU gum. So now I'll just carefully turn it, making sure that it's in the center before I will drop it down. Look all around to be sure that it's properly aligned, then you just drop it down. Make sure it doesn't move. Now for this, you can just place something strong on top of it. Okay, let me see, a bottle water, yeah, to sit on top of it, just so that it has a proper hold. Okay, so with this, we have come to the end of today's class. Now let me show you how the cover works. This is it. After putting the cake inside, just use this to cover it round like so. Okay, it's this PVC is not the strong type, so it's wobbling ish. Okay, let me not waste time. Let me fix this and then I will come back to you.